If you're someone who believes breakfast should never be boring, here are 3 delicious breakfast ideas you can quickly make at home. First, let's make a quick English breakfast. For this, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Once hot, add half a chopped onion and saute it well. Then add 1 tablespoon tomato puree and mix. Now add 1 cup boiled rajma, combine everything nicely and keep it aside. In the same pan, fry the bacon strips, add a little extra oil only if needed and season with salt and pepper. Once crispy, remove and keep aside. Next, crack 2 eggs in the same pan, season with salt and pepper and fry them on low flame. Finally, toast the bread in the same pan, plate everything together and your quick English breakfast is ready to serve. Now let's move on to something sweet, Nutella Pancakes. In the bowl, break 1 egg and add a pinch of salt. Now pour in melted butter, milk, baking powder and maida. Whisk everything well until the batter becomes smooth. Now heat a pan and apply some butter. Pour the pancake batter and add a spoonful of Nutella in the center. Cover it with a little more batter. Now let it cook on one side, then flip and cook the other side until golden. Now make a stack of pancakes like this. Top them with more Nutella and for extra indulgence, crush some chocolate cookies on top. And finally, a savory French toast. Now in a bowl, break 2 eggs, add salt, chopped onion, green chilies, coriander leaves, cheese, milk and garlic. Whisk everything together until well combined. Now heat a pan and add butter or oil. Dip the bread slices in the egg mixture for about 10 seconds on each side, making sure the veggies stick to the bread. Now place the bread on the pan and spread a little extra veggie mixture on top. Cook for about 2 minutes on medium to low heat until golden brown. Then flip and cook the other side for 2 minutes. Serve it hot and crispy. So there you go, 3 easy breakfast recipes. Which one are you trying first? Do let us know in the comments. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.